So should I just be Roger or should be like Coco or something? Nah, I don't know. Either Roger or Coco. I prefer Roger this time, like bro. So yeah, I'm gonna go on a run, call Dad to get some research. First we have to go to the Shelly elevator. It's their only plan to stop their evilness. Like, oh my god. These are like some bomb Oreos. They're very good at some point. Didn't have to do that, alright. Get to elevator already? It's been like 3 minutes already. This team might be good for some like sleepover. I mean, yeah, it's a very good team at some point. When's the last machine gonna pop? Hopefully it pops sooner. Oh, Danny's spoiling me. Yo, very bad card. Have something better. Yes! And then like, remember that time like when I was like, Danny, your item suck, and then he sent out his girlfriend Bobby, and then Bobby was chasing me maybe I have 1 heart, and then I was like, Danny, I'm sorry, please don't send out your girlfriend, she's terrifying. Double OG. Don't you dare send out your girlfriend next time, okay? And I swear to God, if I actually made fun of your girlfriend, you're gonna kill me in KO, so yeah, I won't do that. Unless, if I make fun of her, you're gonna actually pull out your guts. Was that necessary? Oh, bro wants tech savvy. That's too bad. I'm picking endurance for sure. How about you say out loud yourself? Dandy spoils me, talking to his mom. All of them being a separate 9. Yo, finally, the time's up card is here. Come into clutch. No. Nope. Too bad. Too bad. Too bad. Too bad. Too bad. I don't care. I don't care. Time to survive. Research. Give me your research. I don't want your research. Dial, what's up? Haha, you can't get me. You can't actually get me. Oh god, oh god. Yo, run! I don't think I want to do 25 machines alone. Like, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Sure, I'll just do it for them. I'll just like do it for them. No, I can barely survive. Please don't tell me. No. I just don't want to die at some point. I mean, even if I die, I don't really care. Hopefully I don't fail skill check. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Come on, come on, come on. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Oops, I accidentally hit my camera. Oh my god. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh, come on. No. Gotta run, gotta run, gotta run. What am I doing? Gotta run. Stay 50 meters away from me. That was finally finished. Am I doing my machines all alone? I'm not doing 20 machines alone. Unless if everyone leaves, like, bro, I guess I'll just survive it all by myself. No way. No absolute way. Well, since I'm Roger, I have like 100% research on him finally. And it's time for me to survive. Of course. Yeah. Anyways, back to this machine. Yo, one person just left. It's just me and that guy. What are they doing? Are they even doing machines? Am I just gonna do machines all alone? I'm not doing... Oh, they're doing machines with me. That's good. That's actually good. Come on, do machines with me. You have to. It's for your own friends. Yeah, it's perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect. It will be perfect soon. Skip to 4, 5, 6 to this part. Please don't spot me. Looks like a snake. Looks like a snake. Just reveal skill check, please. God. Run! Run! What was it expecting me to do? Please? Please? No! Yo, why is it controlling me? Oh my god. So I don't know where Dial is, and I don't hear his footsteps. Is he? No, his bar is normal. Hopefully it is. Alright, good. No, he's right over. Actually, he won't even be that fast whenever he spots me. It's just fast whenever I fail skill check. Just don't. I gotta make sure. Did they lose sight of him or something? It's like glad. I lose sight of him whenever his like bar goes fill up. I'm a pro at him. Oh, and thanks, Shelly. Wait, I have a Shelly. There's a Shelly with me. Thanks, Shelly. I'll complete the other machines. Complete some more. I don't really want Shelly to survive, so I'm just gonna be greedy with something. Until I actually die on some point. Not by Dial. Dial don't. Dial don't. Nope. He spotted me? How did I lose? He has the shortest attention span of all time. What? I don't need his 2% research anyway. I'm playing as Roger. Why would I need his 2% research? Just get some stupid old Icor. Yeah, it makes no sense either. Why do I feel like they're near something? Okay, this is actually horrifying. Like, bro, what are they near? Wait, I'm gonna go see. I'm gonna go see. I'm gonna go see. I'm gonna go see. Please, please let me move. Let me move for once, you old computer. Yes, let's go. Tisha? Tisha, I dare you. Oh my god, you actually did it before. Great job, now you're going to... Go back to cleaning Dandy's shop. Where you belong! Leave. Leave now. Leave now. Leave now. Finally. My god, you don't listen. Yada. 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 Please, leave me alone. What am I even doing? I'm gonna go do that machine. And oh my god, the twisteds are so annoying. Bro, just let me extract for peace. Yeah, doing that, Dallas favorite number 25 won't work on me. It's just gonna... I swear. To get on stealth mode on. Now they... Is this a scam? Is this a scam? Is this a scam? Is this an actual scam? Oh my god. This better not be a scam. Come on, it can't be a scam. It cannot be a scam. Come on, let's go. I just gotta have to wait for them to pass by. Oh, that's just a capsule. Oh, Dial's over there. Dial's over there. Yo, Dial's over there. Dial's actually over there. No, how do you see me? No, how do you see me? Dial. Dial? No. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This bar's filling up. You know what? I'm gonna leave this territory. Gotta find more capsules, like this one. So I gotta know who's here. I think we don't have that much twisteds at that point. It's just that I really want to get out of here. And I don't think escaping Dial is that easy for other players because of how fast he is. Well, I'll prove you all wrong. Just watch and learn. Gotta make sure your toggle's on. Now you gotta run, you gotta run, you gotta run, you gotta run, you gotta run. My stupid computer's so old. My computer's actually old. How dare you? How dare you? How actually dare you? How dare you? I can finally claim his trinket. Now let's put you over there for your safety. Actually, I'm gonna keep you. Wait, I forgot to pick up one more capsule on the way. But I think I'll do that later. But just to make sure I got everything right. Still not going Brick Shrimpo yet. I mean, it's fine. Well, I'm just gonna click the name Brusha now. No. You wouldn't be that capable of. So yeah, here's Brusha. I'm also willing to have, don't have 10,000 enough on a core. That's like pretty upsetting, so whatever.